Hi, my name is Rick Morgan. I'm in sales here at Open Road. I've been here just over 7 months. My favorite thing about working here at Open Road is probably the people. Don't get me wrong, I love the bikes. I've been around bikes my entire life, but this is the one Harley dealership that's been really cool to work with. Yeah, I've been riding since I was 5 years old. Currently, I have a old school Dyna wide glide. It's all custom. That's my baby. Yes and no. I like to have multiple things, so I will never get rid of my Dyna, but I'm going to get me a Road Glide Limited as well. So I'll have a touring bike and a cruising bike. Only thing I have to say is come by and visit us here at Open Road. We have a good time every time we go somewhere, and we have a good time here at the store. See you on the Open Road.